how to change the ascending button text in Chart.js plugin sorting for Chart.js 4. So we have here this, but maybe you want to change the label or the text in here. So how to do this? Well, if you go down here, you can see here we have 3 buttons, and one of them is the ASC or the ascending low to high button. So let's start to change the label of this into ASC into something else. So I'm going to scroll down here and we're going into the options. Within the options we have here the plugins object, and then within here we can start to use the sorting object. This object allows us to start adding up new items. So what we want to do specifically, we want to have the ascending object, and within here we're going to pinpoint the button. And from here in the button we can, for example, get the label. By default it is the ascending item, but we could change this and we'll say here low to high, for example. If I save this, refresh, and as you can see here now it changes into low to high.